Lesson 7, Questioning. Well, what are the benefits of asking deep and incisive questions? And the answer is it's probably the quickest route to deeper understanding. And by asking the right questions, it's one of the most expeditious, most effective routes to innovation. Now, you can think of questioning as a kind of lost art. I think perhaps most people don't see it as the powerful thing it is. It allows you to learn faster, to learn more. And of course, it blends extremely well with problem solving and with creativity. Now, the solution to difficult problems is almost never at the same level of analysis at which the problem is stated. There's some leap or jump in reasoning or thinking required, and the best route to that leap in understanding is through asking the right questions. And of course, that leap in understanding is almost by definition innovative, involving some kind of creativity to come up with something useful and new. Of course, that is creativity. Asking the right question is the best way to begin. Now, there's some evidence to suggest that the most successful and most innovative people tend to be good, deep questioners. They're asking why things are done as they are. Why can't they be done differently? How could that be made effective? So, the questions to ask, well, before you begin asking questions, the first thing is to understand. So there's some domain of knowledge you'd like to question. There's some technique or tool or theory or method. First of all, understand it. Now, that often requires careful listening and careful reading. And I think most people underestimate the power of careful listening. So first understand. When you have that understanding, then and only then can you begin asking the right questions. And the questions come down to three basic forms. First of all, why? Why is it seen this way? Why is it done this way? Why does it involve this technology or process or method or these customers or these people? Why? And maybe why not something different? Next question, what if? What if things were changed? What if there were a new way of thinking or acting or behaving? And then how could that be made to work? So those three questions, why, what if, exploring options, and how to make things work. Those three questions are the basis of new, innovative, more incisive, and probably deeper understanding. So a quick example now, why should your computing devices, so particularly smartphones and laptops and mobile devices, run out of power? And the answer is, well, you're probably quite a heavy user of video and games and business applications, what have you, and batteries are limited. Okay, so that's the explanation. Usage plus limited power equals running out of power. Quite simple. However, could we change the way you use power? Now, data centers, huge electricity, greedy buildings the size of soccer pitches, they can be optimized using neural networks, reinforcement learning, advanced AI. They can save around 15% rather of power. Could we do something similar with your mobile devices? Could we change the way you use applications to be more efficient? Could battery technology be changed? Could the way we charge up your device be changed? Could we look at solar panels? What if they were used, for example? Could we look at exchanging power with people around you, a market for electricity, if you like, so people are paid to give you a charge from their device? Could we charge devices remotely, wirelessly? It's technically possible, it's not done. Could that technology be introduced? So ask the why. Why are we running out of power? What if there was some new approach? And then how could we make that work? And it would involve, in this case, probably new technologies. So new approaches to battery technology, challenging. New approaches to running applications, a bit less challenging. Or third, maybe new approaches to power infrastructure and power sharing. So those might be approaches to the problem of running out of power. So exercise 7.1, explore one or more of these challenges and then apply the why, what if and how framework. So look at a question that interests you with crime, the common cold or flu, pollution, and then the challenging issue of learning better and faster. So maybe pick one or more of those and apply the questioning framework to those challenges. See if you can't come up with a different approach. Lesson 7 summary. Do appreciate that asking basic questions is a very good route to both deeper understanding and new understanding and, crucially, innovation. In the next lesson, we look at problem solving.